Hi everyone! Welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to buy DoorDash gift card. To buy a DoorDash gift card, launch open the DoorDash application on your mobile device first. Make sure that you're signed into your account. If not, log in or create one. From the main homepage of DoorDash, go ahead and tap on the Browse button at the bottom of the screen. From the Browse option, tap on Gifts. In the search box, type in gift card. Now, you will then be able to see the Retail tab where you can go ahead and browse through and buy several gift cards such as Starbucks gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and DoorDash gift cards as well. Go ahead and scroll through the menu and find the DoorDash gift card option. And once you see this, tap on the preset amount for the DoorDash gift card you'd like to buy, and then choose the amount of gift card you'd like to purchase from the bottom of the screen by simply tapping on the plus or minus sign, and after you are done, click on Add to Cart. Now, you can tap on View Cart and then continue with your purchase. Tap the Continue button and select your payment method from the options that appears on the screen. Make sure you have your correct payment information, and then once you are done, you can buy the gift card and complete the purchase. Now, after you are done purchasing your gift card, you will receive a confirmation email. So that's how you easily purchase or buy a DoorDash gift card using the DoorDash app on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.